Concert Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at large asset file transfer. Generally, when talking about large files, we mean any file larger than 100 megabytes in size. Now, there are a number of ways to upload these large files into Concert, and one of those ways is through an asset in Concert Library. In order to use this asset, by heading over to Applications under Library, download it. Once you've downloaded it, find the files you would like to upload into Concert. In this case, some training slides. Compress these down into zip files and place them in the media folder within this asset. You can then change the name of the asset to reflect what files you are transferring. Compress all this and make sure assets.properties is at the top, and import it into Concert using the Applications Builder. If you would like to review this process, feel free to follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Once the asset is uploaded and finished processing, and take a look at its installation script, and you should see the zip files in the media folder. From here, you will be able to add this asset and with it your files to a system. If you would like to watch more of these tutorial videos, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features these videos and articles that cover these topics but in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the upper right-hand corner or in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.